Hi, this is Jason here with another video. I'm working on a 2020 Chevy Silverado. Spark plug wires don't want to come off. It's the easiest way to get spark plug wires off if you ever have trouble. Here we go. So on this truck, I've already yanked a couple of these wires off, as you can see. Yanked them straight off from the boot. And that is because I did not do one thing before I took this out. Now I'm going to show you on these last two what to do. So what we do here is we're going to twist the top, twist it, and kind of shake it and pull it. And then down here, here is the key. This right here, you want to turn it. Make sure it turns. And once you get it to turn, it'll come right out. Just wiggle and pull it. I like to wiggle in a circular motion while I'm pulling it, and it comes right out. Let's try another one. There's the spark cylinder one. Kind of twist it, pull it. Down here, turn it, and you're gonna wiggle and pull it, and see those come out without breaking the wires, without damaging anything, which is good. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, hit this like button, subscribe to my videos, and like I said, I'll be coming out with a whole bunch more here to come. Thank you. Bye.